Hi friends! I just got back from Tokyo and I wanted to show you my favorite art stores in Japan. This is going to be short and sweet. Whenever I watch a holiday video, I just want to see spots quickly and find out what's there, so I hope you'll find this video helpful when planning your trip. I'll be taking you to 3 of my favorite art supplies and stationery stores and show you how to get there and what you can find inside. Let's go! First up is Sekaido. This is the biggest art store in Tokyo. It has 6 floors and each is dedicated to a different theme. So if you're short on time, you can just go to the one that you're interested in. I love this art store because it's not only got a huge array of supplies, it's also really practical and not touristy at all. If you ask any artists who live in Tokyo what their favorite art store is, they'll probably say it's sekaido. Here you'll find office and school supplies, cute stamps, lots of stickers, washi tape, lots and lots of greeting cards, and notebooks. There's an infinite amount of gouache, watercolor, color pencils, brushes, paper, canvases, calligraphy supplies, books, sketchbooks. There's also a small selection of clay supplies, which I spent some time at, and they even have 2 floors dedicated to frames. Sekaido is located a few minutes walk from Shinjuku Station and is the most easily reached from Shinjuku Chome Station. After spending a few hours here, if your wallet isn't empty yet, you can also visit a famous French toast cafe. It's called Cafe aaliya, and they have the fluffiest French toast if that's your kind of thing. But expect a waiting line, especially during the weekends. Next up is Uematsu, and this is a much smaller art store and is located right next to the Shibuya station on Meiji-dori. Shibuya is just a couple of stations away from Shinjuku, so it's definitely possible to visit both stores on the same day. It's only got 2 floors, but it's super convenient to get to and the supplies are also quite practical. If you're a painter, this is the place to go. They have a lovely selection of Japanese pigments, watercolor, acrylic, gouache, as well as washi paper and canvases. Also located in Shibuya is Loft. While technically this is more of a household goods specialty store, you can find some art supplies here. They have more of the cutesy stationery items if that's your cup of tea. Spanning over 7 floors, you can find things like sketchbooks, postcards, brushes, paper, paint, and lots of cute stationery. They also have floors dedicated to home, cosmetics, and gifting goods. If you're looking for planners or journals, Loft is a must visit. These are my favorite art stores in Tokyo, but there are so many more I wish to visit the next time I'm back in the city. If I had to recommend just one of them, I would definitely say go visit Sekaido. I promise you won't regret it. I'd love to hear your recommendations for your favorite art store. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for being here, and I hope you have a lovely day.